Leeds merge
Hi guys,
in
welcome
turn.
back. Okay, so now we're going to deal with merging. So here we're in the lane on the left, we're inbound Leeds City. Now our lane and the lane on the right where that car is, we're going to merge together. So we're going to go into one lane. So if you consider yourself in lane A and consider them in lane C, and we're both going to go into lane B. So here we're looking in our mirrors, maintaining a reasonable course. Both lanes are going ahead. We're looking in our right door mirror. We're now looking at the floor markings. We have to signal right. So we're looking in the right door mirror, looking there, looking there, looking there again. He's letting us in. We're going to cancel our signal, maintain our course. It's as simple as that. So you never force your car in. You never push yourself in. You never put yourself at danger or anybody else. Good overall lane discipline. Good overall observations. And most importantly, controlling of your car and speed. As long as you've done good mirror checks, as long as your speed is reasonable and you're not forcing your car in, generally speaking, it would be safe to move across. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.